Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off high performance mode. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Battery section. Then scroll all the way down, click on More Settings, and tap on the switcher next to High Performance Mode in order to activate it. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, high performance is on. But you can always switch it off by tapping on the same no blue switcher next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!